Do you have time to grab a pencil and paper? Okay, that might be asking a lot, but we have a pop quiz for you. The score of Emma was half as that of Ava, and the score of Mia was twice that of Ava. If the score of Mia was 60, what is the score of Emma? You got this, right? You got your pen and paper,
I'm
Tisha?
working on it.
Yeah, 12A, B15, C20, or D30. You know the answer?
No.
I don't either. I'm trying to compute it in my head.
Yeah.
No idea at all. But we're going to give you the correct answer in just a moment. But what inspired us to go back to school is a number crunching, digit deciphering first grader in St. Louis.
Nathan Katcher is just 6 years old, but he's already solving math problems at a 7th grade level. Reporter Caroline Hecker introduces us to Nathan, the number kid.
First grade is a year of learning the fundamentals.
What do you think they're thinking about?
Reading, science, history, and math.
Cover this whole guy web.
Math is something Nathan Katcher knows a little something about.
3,000 minus 100, that's easy. 2,900.
Okay, a lot about.
Easy peasy.
While he's like every other 6-year-old in his class, he is in a league of his own when it comes to math.
Because I like learning new things. And I'm solving equations.
Nathan spends his days at Green Trails Elementary,
I look funny.
practicing his reading and learning alongside his classmates.
Turn the page.
But when it comes to math, he's working at a 7th grade level,
Is one of those bigger than the other?
getting one-on-one lessons at school and outside of it.
This was 12 times 3, right?
His mom says she knew math was his thing as young as preschool when he was counting instead of napping.
He would count in his head, and he would remember that number, and then he would come home and tell me, today I counted to 1,255, and then he would divide that by 60 in his head and tell me exactly how many minutes that was.
5 plus 2.
Down the hall in 3rd grade, Nathan's brother Evan is his biggest supporter.
I think he's a genius.
He says the math gene runs in the family, sort of.
Well, it does for Dad, Mom, and Nathan, just not me.
So we had to put Nathan to the test, on the fly, and right before lunch.
8 squared minus 14 times 3 minus 6, and take the square root of that.
12.
Genius. Got it. You can check out Nathan on his TikTok channel, Nathan the Number Kid. And earlier, Lee asked, the score of Emma was half as that of Ava, and the score of Mia was twice that of Ava. If the score of Mia was 60, what is the score of Emma? Well, if the score of Mia was 60, therefore, the score of Ava is 30. Since the score of Emma was half as that of Ava, therefore the score of Emma is 15, so the answer is B, 15. In St. Louis, I'm Caroline Hecker.
You had B all the time, right? You knew it.
I thought it was something else. I won't tell you which one I thought it was because I want to be considered smarter than a first grader.
Yeah, I know what I was going to say, right? Gosh, you hear that kid in the math when they were doing that
Yes.
computation during the story. I'm
He
like,
answered it
I
so
have
quickly.
no idea. No
Yes.
idea.
Oh gosh.
I
Well,
know.
I'm
Smart
glad.
kid. Yes.